time, from here on in, I shoot without a script. See if anything comes of it. First shot, Roger, tuning the Fender guitar he hasn't played in a year. This won't tune, so we hear. Just coming back from half the year withdrawal. Are you talking to me? Not at all. Are you ready? Hold that focus steady. Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one green.
The phone rings. We scream, zoom in on the answering machine. Speak.
That was a very loud beep. I don't even know if this is working. Mark, are you there? Are you screening your calls into Mom? We wanted to call and say we love you and we'll miss you tomorrow. Cindy and the kids are here, send their love. Oh, I hope you like the hot plate. Just don't leave it on, dear, when you leave the house. Oh, and Mark, sorry to hear that boring. Don't do I say la vie. So let her be a lesbian. There are other fishies in the sea. Love, Mom.
Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one green.
The phone rings. We scream, speak.
Chestnuts roasting.
Alice!
I'm downstairs.
Hey!
About to pick up the phone.
No, it's me.
Throw down the key.
A wild night is now preordained.
I may be tamed.
What does he mean? What do you mean detained?
Oh ho ho!
Benny? No.
Dudes, I'm on my way.
Great crap.
I need the rent.
What rent?
This past year's rent, which I let slide.
Let's slide, you said we were golden.
When you bought the building,
When we were roommates.
remember you lived here.
How can I forget? You, me, Collins, and Maureen. How is the drug?
She's performing tonight.
I know. Still no production manager.
2 days ago, I was bumped.